All right, Ford Transit work surf rig, functional rear table. There's a lot of stuff out there for the rear doors, and I have not seen something like this. I think it's great. This is my tool parts drawers, you know, fixing stuff back here. When we're camping, it's a good place to put the cutting board for filleting fish. All kinds of reasons for a rear door. These are just simple Amazon $13 quick release shelf brackets, one-handed use. I hate the one-handed use videos, and I'm doing it. Easy. This is just simple piece of walnut ply, high density ply, expensive cabinet grade, and it is sturdy. I did threaded